Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put together your Speed Cube 3x3. And so around this core. So this is the core. And these are edge pieces. And these are corner pieces. And these are centerpieces. So if you haven't watched my tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, please go and watch that now, because I'll be basing most of what I say in this tutorial off of that one. So now let's begin. So first, because this is a lot like solving the Rubik's Cube, like we do like cross. Yeah. First one is kind of like intuition. So you have to find one of our white edge pieces there. Now we need our core. It's white and blue. Now put it, and we just slide it in. Now we have to, this one, it's white and green. We can slide it in. And a line, we have a line. Now, let's find the next white edge. Here, it's a white and red. We're gonna put that one in here. Now we find the last one, which is red and white and orange. We put it over here. So now we have a white cross on our disassembled cube. So now we need to place in the white corners. Here's a corner piece with white on it. We have to get in, we have to we have to rotate the layer up, put it in, and then put it back down. See? Oops, dropped a piece. So there. See, now we have one. Now we need to do the same for all the other white pieces. So we a white piece right here. Another one. Now we have to do this one. White, blue, red. Oh. 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 So we have one right here. And here's one right here. So now we have the white layer complete. Now we have to do the second layer, like solving a 3x3x3. Now we have one of these. Here's an an edge piece without yellow. We rotate the layer up, put it in, then rotate it back down. Now one is like this. And also the one I put in was green and red. Now here's the one opposite of that. It's green and orange. Here. Now we need where's the? We need the a blue and orange edge piece to put over here. And then the last one, the red and blue one. So now you should have a working 3x3x2. And now we need to do the top layer. So first we're going to do now we're going to do the top cross with all the yellow edge pieces. Here's one, it's yellow and orange. So we have to just push it in, and then it's in. So here's another one, it's yellow and blue. We push it in. Here's another one, it's yellow and red. And then the last one is, where are you, edge piece? And then the last one is over here, it's green and yellow. Stop it. Push it in, and now we have our yellow cross. And now we're on to the final step to put in the yellow corners. And you might know this from my how to solve a Rubik's Cube tutorial, but there are 2 extra steps after we orient the yellow corners. So now we could get to the final step. Here's a orange, yellow, and blue corner. We have to find the slot, and we just pop it in. Now here's another one. It's yellow, orange, and green. We just push it in. And now here's yellow, red, and blue. And here's our last piece of the whole 3x3. Push it in. Now, here's what you have. A working 3x3 Rubik's Speed Cube. Now, congratulations if you made one, and if you didn't, go, try it. You can, and thanks for watching, and of course, have a great day.